Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and the answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a customer says, I think I may be making a mistake here. I do like these pants, but they are right a gift for my friend and she does not cook as much as I do. What would be your best response to a customer who is still undecided about making the purchase? Option A: your friend could always return them. If you are unsure about the pants, maybe I could help you find something more appropriate. What are her hobbies? Option B: she will probably want to do more cooking when she is the pants. Option C: I think it's nice to give something you like. If she does not like them, she can exchange them. Option D: I am sure she will like them just like you do. The correct answer of the question: your friend could always return them. If you are unsure about the pants, maybe I could help you find something more appropriate. What are her hobbies? So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.